Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Oppo. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Now click on System Settings. From here you need to select one-handed mode and click on this gray sweater to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, just click on this area here or swipe up. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!